Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. This video is going to be a guide on the topic how to create a Facebook page. I'd like to inform you guys that to create a Facebook page you need to have a Facebook account first. So if you don't have a Facebook account, go ahead and make one Facebook account. After that, tap open your Facebook mobile application and log into it. In this page you can see a menu icon on the right lower corner. Tap on it. Tapping on it will lead you to Facebook menu page. In this page you can see all shortcuts option, and below it you will have to search for pages. After you find pages, tap on it. Tapping on it will lead you to a page something like this. In this page, tap on the first option, which is create below pages. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and in this page, tap on get started on the bottom of your page. Firstly, type in your page name. I'm typing my page name as tech channel. Then tap on next on the bottom of the page. After that, you'll be redirected to the category page, and in this page you will have to type in the category that matches your page. After you're done, tap on create in the bottom of your page. After that, in another page you will have to finish setting up your page. First, type in your bio, your website, your email, your phone number. In location, type in your address, select your city or town, then type in your zip code. After that, you'll have to let your followers know about your location hours. You can select any time frame that matches your business. Tap on no hours available if you don't show any hours. Tap on always open if you're open 24 hours. Then tap on standard hours if you have specific hours. Tapping on standard hours will redirect you to a page something like this. In this page, you can select any day you're closed. Let's suppose you guys close on Saturday. I'm tapping on the box beside Saturday. After that, you can even schedule a time till when you'll be closed. After that, tap on done on the bottom of the page. Then finally, tap on next on the bottom of the page. After you tap on next, you'll be redirected to customize your page. Tap on the camera icon besides your profile icon. This will allow you to put a profile picture on your page. Go ahead and select a picture from your gallery to put it as a profile picture in your Facebook page. After that, let's do the same for the cover photo and select a photo from your gallery. Then tap on next on the bottom of your page. You can even connect your WhatsApp to your page by typing in your phone number. You can tap on the country besides phone number and scroll down to select your country. After you're done selecting your country, type in your phone number and tap on get code below it. If you don't want to add WhatsApp, tap on skip on the bottom of the page. Then type in the code that you receive on your phone. After you're done typing in the code, tap on confirm below the 5-digit code. After that, your WhatsApp will be connected with your page. Then tap on next on the bottom of the page. You can even invite friends by tapping on invite friends and selecting the friends you want to send the invites to. Tap on send invites on the bottom of the page. Then you can even stay informed about your page by turning on the features like page notification on your profile. Then you can even market and promote the page by toggling on the button besides marketing and promotional emails about your page. After you're done toggling it on, tap on next on the bottom of the page. After this, you'll be automatically switched to your tech channel Facebook page. Then you can see a create option besides promote. Tap on it and you can create posts, stories, reel and stay on live. To edit the page, you can tap on the 3-dotted icon besides view tools. After you tap on that, you'll be redirected to a menu something like this. In this page, you can see the first option, edit. Tap on that option. And in this page, you can edit your profile picture, create an avatar, edit cover photo, edit bio, or edit any other details. So I hope this video was able to guide you guys on how to create a Facebook page. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.